There are two men that have influenced me greatly. One is my father, Norm Geisler, and the other is my friend and mentor, the Reverend Edmund Chan. What I've learned from them is how to make apologetics practical. Apologetics has always been viewed from the standpoint of Peter. Be ready to give a defense. But what I've come to realize is you can't just be ready. You have to be active. Following in Jesus' footsteps doesn't only mean understanding and sharing your faith. It also means putting Christ first.